Ask us. Know everything.
Hello everyone, my name is Ujjwal. Today I am here in front of you to perform activities of three different types of separating techniques. Those three different types of separating techniques that I am going to do today in this video are: the first one is chromatography, the second one is evaporation, in which we are going to separate the components of ink which are dye and water, and the third and the last activity that I am going to do is sublimation. So let's get started with the first activity, that is chromatography. Chromatography is a technique of separating a mixture by passing it in a solution through a medium in which components move at different rates. So, the materials required for performing chromatography activity are: the first one is chromatography paper. If you don't have a chromatography paper, you can use a newspaper or an A4 sheet. And you need a dropper for performing this activity, and blue ink, and a beaker with small amount of water, a scale and a pencil, and a small stand for holding this chromatography paper. If you don't have it, don't panic. You can use your hand for holding this chromatography paper. So let's proceed with the activity. First, take a chromatography paper and take a scale and a pencil and make a line on the chromatography paper like this. And now open the blue and take the blue ink, take a dropper and take a small drop of ink and put it in the middle of the chromatography paper. If you're taking a newspaper or an A4 sheet, it may take a quite time, like 2 to 3 minutes for drying, but this in chromatography paper it takes only a seconds for drying. So now take this beaker with small amount of water and dip it with the edge in the water. So after 2 to 3 minutes, you can see that the water gets up the chromatography paper and the ink spot is separated into different dyes. This is due to capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of flow of water or any liquid up the paper or any substance in narrow spaces. This is due to the opposition of gravity. So this is what is chromatography. Due to chromatography, an ink spot is separated into different dyes. Now we are going to do the second activity, that is separation by evaporation. Evaporation process is used for separating a volatile component, that is a solvent, and a non-volatile component, that is a solute, by heating the mixture. In this activity, we are going to separate the components of ink, that is dye and water, by heating the ink such that the water gets evaporated and only the dye, which is the non-volatile component, remains in the dish we place. Now, the materials required for performing this activity are ink, a dish, a wire gauze, a tripod stand, and a candle. Now, let's proceed with the activity. First, place this wire gauze over the tripod stand, and next, open the ink bottle and pour a little amount of ink into the dish. And now place this over this wire gauze. Now after 10 to 15 minutes, you will be able to see that the water gets fully evaporated out of the dish and only the dye would be left in the dish. After 5 minutes, you can see that the water is slightly evaporating from the ink. You can see that the quantity has decreased, and after 10 minutes it would be fully decreased and only dye would be left. After 30 minutes you can see the result that the water has been evaporated completely from the ink and only the dye is left. This dye is actually mixed with water to make ink, and hence these two, that is the components of ink which are dye and water, have been separated to evaporation. So now we are going to proceed with the last activity, that is sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which the state of solid is directly changed into gas. So in this we are going to separate a mixture of salt and camphor. Camphor is a sublime substance which gets directly changed into gas from solid. So we are going to separate these two, salt and camphor. Now, the materials required for performing this activity are mixture of NaCl and camphor, a small piece of cotton, an inverted funnel, a wire gauze, a tripod stand, and a candle. If you don't have a wire gauze and a tripod stand, you can use a pan and plate instead of them, and can place it on a stove instead of placing above this candle. Now let's proceed with the activity. Place this wire gauze over this tripod stand and place this dish with a mixture of NaCl and camphor. Now place this inverted funnel over it, and don't forget to cover this inverted funnel hole with this cotton. Now you can wait for 1 to 2 hours and you will see the observation that camphor gets sublimed. As it is sublime substance, to sublimation it gets changed into gaseous state and it gets formed on this funnel. So hence the common salt and camphor will be separated after 1 hour. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more of our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you want us to make a video of your choice, then put it down in the comments below. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you.